Hey, how's it going? It's Arie here. Welcome back to video number 22 in the Jumpstart to Freedom series. Very excited for this one. So I'm starting this video off with some bad news, unfortunately. It's funny, I just said I was excited for this video, then I said I'm starting it off with bad news. So, lately, as you probably know if you've been watching these videos, I've been focusing quite a lot on TikTok, right? TikTok has, of course, been bringing me in lots of leads, and it still is today. Actually, I got like 24 leads so far, and it's only like 11:40 a.m. So that's quite exciting to see. So I'm probably expecting to, of course, get a couple sales today, maybe like two or three of them at least. Of course, as long as the leads keep coming in. But regarding TikTok, I recently, just last night actually, like right after finishing up the previous video that was in the series, I got suspended from TikTok for like 2 days. So I cannot post anything, or not only that, but I can't even like respond to comments or like message people directly or anything like that until not till like after 2 days, which is it's kind of ridiculous because basically what happened was someone commented on one of my videos saying like, okay, what exactly do you get for the MIF program, right? The program that I'm promoting, right? What you get for the $49 that you invest, and is it actually worth it, right? So I made a video response to that comment, basically saying like, okay, here's what's inside the program, here's what you get, and I did like a 3-minute response video because I tried doing like a 60-second one, and unfortunately I tried getting everything in 60 seconds, but I had trouble doing that. So I did a 3-minute response video, right, where I pretty much explained exactly what's inside, what it's all about, and then so I posted the video up at like I don't know what time, and then like just a couple hours after posting this, I seen that it got the community guidelines strike, and it said like, oh, this video was removed for illegal activities. I'm like, what? Like I did nothing. I made no income claims. I didn't show any like specific numbers. I mentioned like maybe price tags, like, okay, if you join at this level, the 500, maybe that might have caused it, or maybe it was me that said like oh, each of the 4 companies have their different products and different compensation plans. Maybe because I said compensation plans, that might have got taken down or something like that. It might have like triggered the algorithm, but it's interesting. Like this actually has not happened for quite a while, and I thought here I was, of course, on a very good streak of not getting videos taken down, but yeah, it just happened for the first time in a while, and yeah, now I kind of regret making that response. But anyways, I'm not gonna dwell on it too much because there's Instagram Reels, which I started posting on. Well, I posted like one video on like a couple days ago, and I never really went back to it. So for this video specifically, what I'm going to be doing instead of doing TikTok is I'm going to repost a lot of videos on my TikTok that have, of course, performed well, and I will then repost them on Instagram Reels. So throughout the day, you'll see me kind of show my results with that in terms of how these videos perform. I think the first video did pretty okay. But of course, I'm going to be doing it a bit more, and of course, really ramping it up, ramp up the consistency on there, right? So that this way, I'm not just fully relying on TikTok, but I have another source, as a backup. And also, maybe I might start up another TikTok account, or maybe I might focus more on YouTube Shorts. But I guess it really depends. So anyways, I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to do my daily journal thing, and then of course, we will dive into the Todoist agenda for today. See you in a bit. Going, it's Arie here again. It's currently 3:30ish as I'm filming this segment right here, and I thought what I would do is, as I'm walking to work, I thought I would film a quick update for you in terms of how things are going, right? So I meant to film something right before heading out. Loud ass bus walking. Of course, passing by, but I meant to film something right before heading out, and I guess I got kind of sidetracked in other things. Basically, so I reposted a couple of videos on Instagram, ones that, of course, previously performed very well on TikTok. And so what I thought was kind of interesting is, as I was looking back at that first video that I posted on Instagram Reels, the one that, previously had like, I think 2,000-ish views on TikTok, what I realized is that looking back at that video, it had like 4,000 views. And this is on like a brand new account with like no prior videos, which I thought was kind of interesting. So I posted that one, and then I posted 2 more today. The second one I posted was getting quite good engagement. I think the third one didn't really have
so much, didn't really have so much engagement as of yet. But one other thing that I think I forgot to mention in today's video is I did make another sale today. It was a $20 commission, and literally like a couple minutes before hitting the record button, I got another one that was 180 bucks, right? So literally as I start walking here, I had that other one that came in, so I'll have to of course show it a little bit later on in this video. Of course, when I get home, I'll show the commission. So that is 200 bucks that I'm at for today, which I think is pretty dope. And I did get like an email from the person who signed up. I guess he is also intending on signing up with second income stream inside as well. So there's a very good chance that you know, I'll probably make a bit more than 200 for today, which is quite exciting, right? So things are definitely looking very good for you know, for this specific journey, even though I cannot post on TikTok right now, unfortunately, because they, for some reason, are just super strict and they think that I did something wrong when in reality I did not. But I did submit an appeal for that video, and I'm still kind of waiting to kind of hear back from them. So I guess we'll have to wait and see, and you know, see if they put the video back up. I really hope they do. You know, if they could put it back up, like, you know, maybe sometime later today, where, you know, maybe you know, if that's the case, I could just start posting on TikTok again like normal. But for now, I guess I just have whatever videos that are up there right now that are getting me traffic, and then there's also Instagram Reels, which I'm now starting to experiment more with. And if you could probably hear by my voice, you know, I mentioned this in previous videos, I'm still running into that issue where when I do this walking and talking type of thing, and also holding my arm like this, I always like run out of breath really easy, and it feels very weird. It still feels very weird to do this, especially at this time when there's more traffic, of course, passing me by, and so more people are probably looking at me like, dude, what's this kid doing right here? But anyway, it's all about getting out of your comfort zone, and of course doing whatever it takes to really get those long-term results. And so that's what my main intention with this series, right? So I'm gonna of course cut it off right here. I will pick this back up a little bit later on today when I of course get home, and I will give any more updates that of course took place throughout the day. So anyways, take care and see you in a bit.
Alright, so as you can see, it is now 12:37 a.m. and man, oh man, am I a bit late to this. I meant to do this around like 11-ish before I went to the next day, but you know, better late than never, right? So yeah, I got back from work like around 11-ish, and then I kind of like ate something, and then did a couple other things, and it's like, oh, it's already 12, and it's like, oh man, so anyways, I'm getting a little bit off track here, but of course I do still want to of course finish this day off and kind of show exactly the results that I've been getting throughout the entire day today, right? So first things first, I will show you the amount of leads that I got throughout the day. So I'll simply log into my account right here, and we'll of course check this out live. I know I had over 30 leads as of yesterday, or as of today, right? Let's see, one lead so far on the 27th, so that is just 29 to go for tomorrow. But as of yesterday, I got 40 leads, which I think is pretty good. So it's 10 more than my little threshold that I like to hit. So not as good as the previous day. 47 is better than 40, obviously. Then of course I still have to beat this record right here of 111 leads in a single day. I could have sworn it said like 120 something a while back, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just like seeing things, right? But anyways, 40 leads is pretty good considering that I haven't been able to post on TikTok, and that's where most of these leads are of course coming from. I believe that is the case, right? 80 visitors, 20 goals, 16 visitors. Yeah, I think majority of it's from TikTok actually. So considering I haven't been able to respond to comments or post them there at all, I'd say this is pretty good. In terms of sales, so I mentioned that as I was walking, I had two sales. I had the $20 commission that came in, like, I want to say right after filming that first segment, I believe it was. And then a couple hours later, while I was walking to work, I had this other one, 180 bucks. And this came in literally right after I left the house. Like I walked out of the house, I pulled out my phone to, of course, start recording, you know, that previous segment you watched. And then that was when I seen the text notification that, you know, I had the $180 commission, right? So this is pretty interesting. Like, this is like, I think my third annual sale, like within the last 7 days, right? So this right here, this is definitely looking really good. It's like 200 plus 200 plus another 200, which is like, you know, 600 bucks for the week. And that is like, that right there already is more than what I get like on my
bi-weekly paychecks, which so even that that alone of itself could be possibly, if I do this consistently, that could be enough for me to, of course, go full-time and, you know, perhaps do this full-time. But of course, I do want to give this more time. I want to, of course, build this up more and see if I can, of course, get even more sales, right? So that's, of course, the main thing. And so last thing I want to, of course, go over here is Instagram Reels. So I just recently started this account, and I haven't fully figured out Instagram Reels yet. I am very brand new to this, so I am still, you know, figuring this out. And I haven't fully like figured out like the best way to go about, you know, for example, building a following, right? So I have, for example, these videos right here. Like if I open up this one, this has I think over 4,000 views, I think, from what I've seen on my phone. It doesn't, I can't seem to show it. I can't seem like see exactly where it is anywhere on here at all. But I believe on my mobile device, it's when I checked it, it said it was like let's see, is there a way to like see the, okay, go to post. Is there a way to like see the view count on here or something like that? Because I know on TikTok it shows it like right, like, you know, when you see like the little thumbnail icon, you could like see the view count it has, but it looks like on desktop you can't actually see. Let's see, Reels. Maybe it shows it here. Oh yeah, like 4,000 views. This first video right here. This one has 3.4 thousand, and then this video has only 57 views right so far, which I think is very interesting. This is actually my most popular, my best performing video on TikTok. This video on TikTok has like over 12,000 views. 12,000 people looked at my face on this video, which is very interesting. And the best part about that is my call to action in that video was check the link in bio, right? So I think that this video alone was probably the one that got me tons of leads that specific day, right? You know, the 100+ leads probably came from this video right here, I'm guessing. Or, you know, maybe, of course, some of them came from other, you know, a different one right here. But anyways, I think this pretty much covers, you know, today's episode, you know, day 22 in the Jumpstart to Freedom series. Hopefully you've got lots of value in this video. If you did, drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts of this, you know, series so far. Let me know if you're enjoying this and if you're getting value out of this. I really do appreciate, you know, the feedback. If you have any sort of, you know, positive or negative feedback, you know, let me know your honest thoughts down below, because I'd really be interested to, of course, hear that. And if you enjoy this, give this a thumbs up. And anyways, looking forward to you know, keeping this going. And anyways, see you in the next one. Take care.